The AVERAGEIF function returns the average of cells in a range that meet criteria you provide. Let's determine the average for sales that are greater than $60,000. Type an equal sign, AVERAGEIF, opening parenthesis. In this example, we're going to evaluate and average the same range of cells, C2 to C5, in the sales column, comma. Then we type the criteria against which the range is evaluated, enclosed in quotes. You put it in quotes so Excel interprets the operator and value correctly. In this example, greater than 60,000. Don't type a comma in 60,000. Excel would interpret that as a separator for arguments of the function and return an error. And press Enter. Excel automatically adds the closing parenthesis to the formula. The average for sales greater than $60,000 is $71,229. Let's walk through this. The function evaluates how many cells in the sales column meet the criteria of greater than 60,000. There are 3 cells. The function then averages these cells. Now we'll use the AVERAGEIF function to determine the average for sales where the number of orders is greater than 50. In this example, one range of cells is evaluated against the criteria, and a second range of cells is averaged. We type equal sign, AVERAGEIF, opening parenthesis, the range of cells we want evaluated, cells B2 through B5, in the number of orders column, comma, the criteria by which the range is to be evaluated, enclosed in quotes, greater than 50, comma, the range of cells we want to average, cells C2 through C5 in the sales column, and press Enter. The average for sales where the number of orders is greater than 50 is $66,487. Let's walk through this one too. First, the function evaluates which cells in B2 through B5 meet the criteria of greater than 50. 3 cells meet the criteria. The function then averages the cells from the sales column where the criteria is met by the corresponding cell in column B. For more information about the AVERAGEIF function, see the course summary at the end of the course. Up next, weighted average.